Today, we are going to make origami finger prayer puppets. But before that, let's read our memory verse together, which is found in Ephesians 6, verse 18. And pray in the Spirit on all occasions, with all kinds of prayers and requests. With this in mind, be alert and always keep on praying for all the Lord's people. To make our origami finger prayer puppets, we just need square paper, pens or markers, and optional colors, bond paper, colored paper, ruler, pencil, and scissors. For our square paper, we can use post-its or sticky notes. But if you don't have any of those, it's okay. We can make our own. Here we will need bond paper or colored paper, ruler, pencil, and scissors. Get your bond paper or any of your colored paper, and we will measure it by 3 inches by 3 inches, like this. And then we'll mark it lightly with a pencil. Now that it's done, we have our square. So it's time for us to cut. Now that we have everything we need, we're ready to make our finger puppets. Take your square paper and fold it in 3 ways. If you're using a sticky note, make sure that the sticky note is inside. Fold one side of the paper towards the middle and do the same for the other. If you want to be precise with your folding, you can get your ruler and your pencil. Now you can mark every inch on the top and let you know where to fold, like this. Have a small mark there. Okay, now we can fold them. We will now make the head of the puppet. Fold the top part down, like this. And you have the choice to make it bigger or smaller. This one is a little bit bigger. See? Now we have our heads. For people, we'll fold the top edges of the head back a little bit slightly, like this, okay? Here on one side, and then the other. For animals, we'll fold the top edges forward. Remember, it's forward for their ears. So here's the other part and another. Next, we'll fold the bottom corners of their faces. Here, look at the bottom, and then we'll fold it inwards, like so. remember, it's inward. Now, finally, we can draw and decorate our puppets. Who are the people that you want to pray for? I am praying for all our frontliners. So, I think I'm gonna draw a nurse here. Let's start with the mask. Don't forget the mask. Always wear a mask. I want to pray for our leaders. So I think I'm gonna draw one that represents our government official. Don't forget about their family. So I'm gonna pray for my family. I'll just draw my dad as a representative. I'm saving the best for last, our little children. We must always pray for the little children in the world. Brown, yellow, black or white, all are precious in Jesus' eyes. Jesus loves the little children of the world. Okay, now we're done. We can now color our puppets. And now we're done. We can now put our prayer finger puppets on our fingers. Just open it up like this and insert it on your finger. Put them on all your fingers or just on some of them. See how cute our puppets are? Now we can have a finger puppet show. There are other things you can do with your puppets. You can put them on a pencil. Just like this. And then you can have a puppet show. So it's not just limited to your fingers. You can also make bigger ones like this and create a story time show. Here I made David and Goliath. We can put them on a stick or a pencil, but you can also put them on your fingers like this. Goliath is a little bit bigger, so will take up a lot of fingers. But here, now we can tell the story of David and Goliath. See you again next time.